Problem 3. In figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. With centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally two of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Here difference of area of this square ABCD and sum of areas of these 4 congruent sectors will give us area of this shaded region. So we have to find area of square ABCD. That is, to find area of square ABCD, call this as A1. Here length of square L is equal to 14 cm. Therefore A1 is equal to L square. That is A1 equal to 14 into 14. Therefore A1 is equal to 196 square centimeter. Let E, F, G and H be the points of contacts of circles as shown in figure. Here E, F, G, H are points of contacts of circles as shown in figure. To find area of sector subtended by arc HE with center A, we call this as A2. Radius of circle R is equal to 7 cm. Sector angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore A2 is equal to pi r square by 4. Here 1/4 of area of the circle with center A will give us area of this quadrant or sector. A2 can be written as 1/4 into 22/7 into 7 into 7. Here 7 gets cancelled. A2 equal to 154 by 4. Here 22 into 7 is equal to 154. Total area of 4 congruent sectors with center A, B, C and D, that is A3. A3 is equal to 4 into A2. Therefore A3 is equal to 4 into 154 by 4. Here 4 gets cancelled. A3 equal to 154 square centimeters. Therefore required area equal to A1 into A1 minus A3, that is 196 minus 154. Therefore area of shaded region is equal to 42 centimeter square. Problem 4. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 cm. If OD is equal to 2 cm, find the area of the shaded region. Here radius of circle R is equal to 3.5 cm. OD is equal to 2 cm. Area of quadrant A has to be calculated. Also we have to calculate area of triangle BOD. Call this as A2. Area of shaded region, that is A, is given by A1 minus A2. Here A1 is area of this quadrant, and A2 is area of triangle BOD. Let us find A1, that is area of quadrant, that is given by 1 by 4 pi r square. That means 1/4 of the area of circle with center 3.5 centimeter will give us area of this quadrant. Therefore, A1 equal to 1 by 4 into pi into 3.5 whole square. That is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Here 3.5 by 7 is equal to 0.5. That is 1 by 4 into 11 into 3.5, because product of 22 and 0.5 is 11. Therefore, A1 is equal to 11 into 3.5 by 4. A1 equal to 38.5 by 4. Therefore, A1 is equal to 9.625 centimeter square. A2 is equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. Here B is base of this triangle BO and H is height of this triangle BOD. Therefore, A2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3.5 into 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, A2 is equal to 3.5 square centimeters. Area of shaded region A is equal to A1 minus A2. That is 9.625 minus 3.5. Therefore, A is equal to 6.125 square centimeters.